So my name is Logan, and a year ago I was here and I planted a few corals, and I'm gonna set them free on the reef.
I've been coming here to Mui and to the Shell at Six Senses Lamu for a few years now. Last time we were here, my little boy Logan did the junior marine biologist course, and one part of that is going through the whole process of fragmenting.
I'm slicing the coral with a diamond band saw to make more corals.
Oh, excellent, nice. So we've got 2 little pieces that are ready to go in the pot.
To see him focused on something which is requiring precision and also an awful lot of knowledge and understanding, at the same time connecting him to how the reefs can be reborn, is really, really special. You know, it's what a parent is dreaming of.
Wow, they're
Right.
big. They are big.
Yeah, you can see that they're encrusting even on the sides. Those are ready to go back.
Does it make you proud seeing that?
Definitely.
Yeah, good job.
So there are dolphins out there, and we're just about to plant our corals, which is really amazing, and it must be a good omen.
I think it's really important for like smaller children to get the experience of doing science by themselves and going out to the reefs to see them themselves, because if you don't really grow up having an idea of what it's like, seeing it for your own eyes, a lot of people can't understand what they're better protecting. So these kind of moments where we go into the reef and do these kind of activities, it means a lot, because the next generation is ultimately what will be the people taking care of it in the end.
That was one of the most sensational feelings I have ever felt in my whole life. When I'm old, I'll look back and know that I've helped the ocean, helped the sea.
Serious, proud daddy moment. Obviously, you know, learning science skills and all that sort of stuff is really important, but actually what this is about is belief. It's just giving a young child belief that they can help, that they can make a difference. And at this age, that is the only thing that matters. Just hope. And yeah, all that happened today. And he planted his own coral reef. I'm ever so slightly emotional.